Hello guys, welcome. It's Wills again from Trade with Wills. Today I will be showing you some profit performance of this free crypto AI trading bot called uTrading. So I want to be showing you some of its performance so far. You understand if it's worth giving a try. But please, before we proceed, if today is your first time of seeing my video or your first time of being on my channel, I want you to please click the subscribe button and turn on notification so that whenever I drop new update, you will be the first to be notified. Alright, so without wasting much time, let's move over to our Telegram community to see some of the performance of this bot. Alright. Okay. So here is our bot. So these are some of the performance. You can see this one, the history started from 15th of May 2023. The $15, $14, $9, $19, 18, 4, 88 cents, 7 cents, 9 cents, 13, just like that. Yeah, so gradually, consistently, the bot is dropping. It's dropping profits. Alright, so let's see. Okay. So this is another profit chart. You can see it's $45. Let's see. Wow. It's $278. Okay. So let's see. There's another one. $299. Okay, so let's see. So this is ready for withdrawal. $150 ready for withdrawal. And the beauty of this bot is that you can withdraw as low as $2. You can withdraw as low as $2. So unlike some bots, you have to make sure that your profit is up to $10. As low as $2, you can withdraw it here. So that's the beauty of uTrading. So this is another one. This is $45. Wow. So there are profit to be made. Okay, so please, if you're yet to sign up, please sign up using the link in this video description or the link on our Telegram community, Telegram or WhatsApp community, any of the link, or the link sent to you by our team member. So you can sign up with it so that you get our full mentorship, guide you on how to do your setup, in order to set it properly so that you won't run into floating lots. You understand? So there are ways to set it. So we'll put you through on all that. So thank you for watching. Bye.